Now, who hasn't had this problem where you need your extension cord to reach just a couple more feet, but you got this bundle of snakes here that you can't untangle every which way you go, and you can't get it to unwrap. I found these two pieces in the junk pile. Let's see what we can do with them. And here you have it. I'll call it the Billy Reel Smart Reel. There you go. Now I can plug it into the wall and unwrap as much as I need. Put it right back. If I want to transport it, I can put this over like this, and this over like this. Good to go.